What if you could save a life with just your two hands? Imagine being able to do just that through the power of CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation. This vital emergency procedure can drastically improve the chances of survival for someone suffering a cardiac arrest. By combining chest compressions with rescue breathing, CPR helps maintain vital blood flow to the heart and brain until more advanced care can be provided. It's a crucial skill that demands prompt and effective action. CPR is more than just a skill, it's a potential lifesaver. Let's dive into how it works. At its core, CPR is simple, but mastering it requires understanding and practice. Let's delve into the basic steps of this life-saving procedure, designed to aid individuals who have stopped breathing or whose heart has ceased beating effectively. The first step in CPR is always to assess the situation. Ensure the environment is safe for both the rescuer and the victim. Next, it's crucial to call for help. Dial emergency services immediately, as professional medical assistance is vital. Once help is on the way, begin the physical component of CPR, starting with chest compressions. Place the heel of your hand on the center of the victim's chest, put your other hand on top, and press down firmly and quickly. Aim for 30 compressions at a depth of about 2 inches. After 30 compressions, give 2 rescue breaths, tilting the victim's head back slightly and lifting the chin to open the airway. Seal your mouth over theirs and breathe into the victim twice. Now that you know what CPR involves, why is it so crucial during emergencies? Every second counts during a cardiac emergency. When the heart stops, the absence of oxygenated blood can cause brain damage in just a few minutes. Here's where CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, becomes a game changer. According to health authorities, immediate CPR can double or even triple a person's chance of survival after cardiac arrest. CPR is more than just a procedure. It's a vital skill that keeps blood flowing to the heart and brain, essentially buying precious time until emergency services can take over. This process involves pressing down on the chest at a consistent rhythm, which helps the heart to pump blood. It's a bridge of life created by your own two hands. Statistics reveal that less than 30% of people who experience a cardiac arrest at home, work, or in public receive bystander CPR. This low percentage is alarming, considering the critical role CPR plays in the survival and recovery process. CPR doesn't just save lives, it preserves quality of life. Think CPR is only for medical professionals? Think again. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, or CPR, might seem like a skill reserved for doctors and nurses, but in reality, it's a vital technique that anyone can learn. Across the globe, countless lives have been saved by bystanders who knew how to properly administer CPR. It's a common misconception that performing CPR is highly technical and only for healthcare workers. However, the steps can be mastered by anyone willing to take a brief training course. Many community centers, hospitals, and organizations regularly offer CPR classes designed to make this life-saving technique accessible and understandable. Empowered with knowledge and training, anyone can step up in an emergency. Now that you understand the what, how, and why of CPR, what's next? Let's quickly recap what we've covered. CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, is a critical emergency procedure that combines chest compressions with artificial ventilation. It's designed to manually preserve brain function until further measures are taken to restore spontaneous blood circulation and breathing in a person who is in cardiac arrest. Understanding the steps of CPR is vital. The procedure begins with assessing the situation and ensuring safety, then checking the victim for responsiveness. If there's no response, calling for emergency help immediately follows, and then you begin chest compressions at a rate of at least 100 to 120 compressions per minute, followed by rescue breaths if you're trained to do so. The importance of these actions cannot be overstated. By performing CPR, you can double or even triple a cardiac arrest victim's chance of survival. It's a skill that transcends personal benefit, extending its value to the community and loved ones. So, what can you do next? Consider enrolling in a certified CPR course. These courses equip you with the knowledge and confidence to perform CPR effectively, turning you into a potential lifesaver. Remember, the life you save with CPR could be someone you love. Consider getting trained today. It's a skill that everyone should have in their back pocket.